Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Gamakay CK68, a new 65% budget keyboard that was just silently released by Banggood. Is this keyboard a bad choice or the next best budget king? Let's get into it. As a disclaimer, Banggood has sent me this keyboard to review, but it will not affect my opinion or video in any way. Everything said in this video are things that I believe and first-hand experience with this keyboard. To start, the keyboard is $66 USD for the 5-pin hot swap barebones kit, and you will need to purchase keycaps and switches along with this. It comes in 4 colors, black, white, and translucent black and translucent white. I have the standard black color with me. The shipping is cheap and quick and took 10 days for me in Canada. The keyboard comes in a cheap cardboard box with a nice braided USB-C cable, a USB dongle, keycap and switch puller, and a small manual for settings. The keyboard is packed well in some foam and comes with no scratches or marks. The keyboard is made of plastic but feels very solid and good quality, and is surprisingly heavy for its material and size. The board has nice rubber feet and 2-step extended legs. It has little branding other than the label in the back and the small logo in the front, and has got a simple design overall. The back of the keyboard also has a 3-way switch for Bluetooth, USB, and 2.4 GHz. However, there is no place for the dongle to be stored on the keyboard, so you have to carry the dongle separately if you travel with it. The keyboard also comes in a 60% version, and Banggood has said that there will be a TKL version soon too. Before I continue, I just want to quickly ask that you subscribe. I've got some other products from Banggood that I will also make reviews on, and you don't want to miss out. I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers soon, and I thank everyone who helps grow this channel. Back to the video. The keyboard has Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz with the dongle, and wired. The 3000 mAh battery lasts a long time, and I had no need to charge it for the many hours that I used it for this review. The battery level can be displayed with function and space, and is charged through a USB-C port. I had no problems using the keyboard with my MacBook as well as Windows and Linux. The hotkeys are simple and very basic, and from what I can gather there is no way to change the firmware. So that means if you have a different set of hotkeys or if you want multimedia controls, you won't be able to get it. There is RGB lighting and the controls to adjust them are sufficient. The plate mount stabilizers are rattly stock but sound good after mounting, and the keyboard PCB is north facing, which results in keycap interference with chair profile keycaps. The keyboard case is in hollow stock and sounds pretty good with the right switches and keycaps. For this reason, I didn't actually open the keyboard since I didn't think it needed any modding to get a good sound. Here's a sound test. In terms of pros and cons, here's what I think. For pros, the keyboard is a good price, has Bluetooth, wired, and 2.4 GHz, has a good build quality, sounds good without any mods, has RGB backlighting, and is 5-pin hot swap. In terms of cons, the keyboard doesn't have any customizable firmware, is north facing, and doesn't have any place to store the USB dongle. So how does the keyboard compare to other keyboards? Well, for about the same price, you can get the CK68 on Rocapi Republic, which is south-facing and does have customizable software. However, the shipping will take 1 to 2 months, and it has a different 65% layout. It's also not wireless and uses stacked acrylic, which not everyone likes. There's also the Wamir or Gamakay K66, which is similar to the CK68, however it also uses stacked acrylic, isn't wireless, and is low profile. Lastly, there's the Keychron K6, but the Keychron doesn't have 2.4 GHz wireless and has an unfavorable USB-C port location. And off sale, the Keychron is about $15 more plus shipping. Stacked acrylic is more often a higher pitched, more clacky sound than a standard case, so both of these alternatives would sound quite different. So in terms of a high profile bare bones kit in this price range that isn't stacked acrylic, there isn't much to offer. In conclusion, I would definitely consider this keyboard if you're looking for a budget wireless 65%. It has a great sound and good build quality, and the big cons of the keyboard aren't very important to the standard user. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.